Hello, welcome to Southern Wreaths. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to make this evergreen buffalo check snowman wreath. These are the supplies I'm going to use to make this wreath. I'm going to start by fluffing my evergreen wreath. This one is pretty nice. It has several different types of branches. Some of the cheaper ones don't. I was lucky to find these on Facebook Marketplace. I bought like 10 of them, I believe. They are lighted, but you can always take the lights off if you don't want them to be lighted. But just to fluff it, I just move it around to where I think it looks full, mainly to the inside and outside. Just to make it a circle. Okay, once I'm happy with how fluffy it is, I have decided to use paint this time, chalk paint instead of spray paint, so I can be a little more intentional about where I put the white. I didn't want to add white to some of the plastic looking branches. To the pretty natural looking branches. I wanted to add the white to the plastic branches. I just don't like the green that's in them. It's like a lime color. I didn't care for that. But I just went around and added white paint wherever I wanted it to look like it's frosted with snow. I'm going to make 2 bows. I had already made one, and now I'm just going to show you how I made the second one. I do like to use my bow dabra. It makes my life a lot easier. Alright, I went ahead and added tails because I want a few different tails in this wreath. Sometimes I like to add the tails after because I like them to hang straight down. With this particular bow, I like them to just be sprawled out in random places. So after I get the first 2 loops in, I just hold them up to each other to make sure they're the length I want. And then I'll just keep adding my loops. And if I want them to be the same size, I can just judge off of what I've already got on there. And you don't have to stack them like this. I was just kind of in a hurry and thought it would be the easiest way to do it. The way I'm spreading them out here, you can do it as you're making the bow so you know where you have coverage. So I did 3 loops on each side of the black and white, and now I'm going to add this buffalo check snowflake. I'm doing it probably 1/2 inch to 1 inch smaller on each side. And I did 2 loops, I believe, of the red. No, I'm sorry, 3 loops of the red on each side. And then I wanted to add this really cute striped black, white, and gray ribbon. I just thought it was a nice break from the craziness of the snowflake. It's kind of busy. That's the word I'm looking for. Great. Once I got the bow the way I want it, I am adding a zip tie. I don't tighten it all the way so I can fluff my bow. And before I tighten it, I like to add a pipe cleaner to the back, and that's how I'll attach it to my wreath. And I do go through after I fluff it and dovetail the ends of all the ribbon. And this way I can see how big or how long I want each ribbon tail to be. And then to fluff, I just put my hand inside the loop and open my fingers and move the loop where I want it to stay. Okay, once I'm happy, I will tighten the pipe cleaner and trim it away. This sign right here I made in a video recently, and I'll link to that here. I made the video and a couple of the ornaments. I'm sorry, I made the sign and a couple of the ornaments in that video, and I'll leave a link here. And I'm just going to use some cardboard and some staples, and this way I don't staple all the way through. And I'm just going to move the branches out of the way so that when I set the sign in there, it kind of lays inside of the wreath a little bit. And I just feed the pipe cleaners through to the back and attach them to the wire frame on the back. It took me a while to figure out exactly where I wanted to add everything. And before I attach everything, I will lay it on the wreath and see if that's where I want it. To add the bow, I'm doing the exact same thing I did with the signs. I'm feeding the pipe cleaners through to the back and wrapping them around the frame. And the really cool thing about using these pipe cleaners is they're super easy to take apart if you're not happy where it's at. I've found in the past with wire, it's a little more difficult to get it apart. I decided I wanted some random pops of ribbon here and there, so I cut a few pieces of the red and black ribbon, 12-inch pieces, and I'm just using half a pipe cleaner and attaching each individual ribbon wherever I feel like I needed, some more color. And again, I'll do the same thing. I'll feed to the back and attach it to the wireframe. And I probably twist about 6 times when I'm wrapping around the frame. Right now I'm going to add my ornaments. Some of the ornaments I've got are from Walmart, I believe. And some of them are my handmade ones. And I like to pop off the tops and add hot glue so that once I have them on the wreath, they're not going to pop off. And I found personally that the Gorilla Glue sticks are by far the best glue sticks. So if you're looking to find a good glue stick, Gorilla Glue ones, they're nice. That pipe cleaner was too long, so I trimmed it away so it would be easier to attach it to the frame. Alright, here's my fuzzy fuzzy snowball ornament. I actually made that with the trimming of the Dollar Tree tree skirts for the mini tree skirts. And the sign I made with a gift bag. Alright, that's it. That's how I made my evergreen buffalo check snowman wreath. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, or you can email me at craftingwithlee@yahoo.com. Thank you so much for watching, and if y'all learned anything today, or if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.